Hey guys, so now we're at step 2 of the Harem Pant sewing tutorial. And since all of our pieces are cut, we are ready to start pinning them in place. So let's get started. Alright, so first we're going to pin the pocket pieces to the front and to the back, and it's going to look just like this. The next we're going to pin our cuffs together and make sure we're matching notches. You know how I feel about that. Okay, great. Yep, there goes those notches. You'll thank me later. Alright, that looks good. And let's go on and sew them in place. Oh, and just a reminder, these patterns are made with a 1/2 inch seam allowance, and when clipping the notches, I may have needed to mention that before, make sure you only clip in about 1/8 of an inch or 1/4 of an inch so you don't clip too far into your seam allowance. Okay, let's keep sewing. Okay, great. Now that looks pretty good. So we have all of our main pieces stitched together. We have the cuff, we have the pockets stitched onto the pants, and then we have the waistband also stitched. So next we're going to grab our elastic, and we're going to take the elastic and stuff it inside the waistband. You know how you may have to fluff it around a little bit. Just go on and pull the fabric through, and as you know, the waistband piece itself is going to be a little bit wider than the waistband on purpose, and it's going to look just like this. Okay, great. So now what you're going to do is take the raw edge and fold it over, encasing the elastic to meet the other raw edge of the waistband. And you have notches there, so don't worry at all, it is going to match up. So go on and match your notches, and then grab a few straight pins. You know I love straight pins, and pin it around. Okay, so we're finishing up, although I'm a little bit off camera, but I think you get the idea of what you're doing here. So you probably will need a few more straight pins, and then next what we're going to do is take it to the sewing machine and then do a base stitch just to encase the elastic inside the waistband. Okay, great. So that looks nice and neat with the elastic encased in the waistband with the straight pins holding the raw edges together. And now we're going to take it to the sewing machine, and voila, we did it already. The waistband is stitched and the cuffs are stitched, and let's keep going on to part 3, the finale. Thank you and stay tuned.